Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your sister Eunice here.
And it's Casper! Yay!
If you haven't seen our last episode of Do and Don't about acne treatments, please go check it out right now. And as we mentioned before in the beginning, we're going to be talking about eye care today.
So guys, the skin around your eyes is barely half the thickness of other parts of your face. As they are thin, they're very prone to being saggy, and even blinking and rubbing your eyes, everything can make them really puffy and irritated. And this part of the skin doesn't have as much sebum glands as well, so it's dry irregardless of your skin type. So it's right that you could get wrinkles around your eyes.
That's right. So I think starting from our 20s and our 30s, it's really important to start taking care of the skin around your eyes. And you have to look for products that are good with the right ingredients. We will be recommending ingredients for you guys, and also we're going to be sharing eye care tips. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned with us.
Other than these, if you have any other further questions, then please look them up on Wishtrend TV.
And don't forget to subscribe to Wishtrend TV and also follow us on our Instagram at Wishtrend TV.
Do number 1, caffeine. So guys, you can find caffeine inside of Coke, a lot of energy drinks, tea, even chocolate. And when you see this ingredient inside skincare products, you think to yourself, is this good or is this bad?
Right. But if you do get a lot of swollenness or puffiness easily, caffeine can be actually really useful for you. It actually absorbs moisture and then it releases it. So actually at the end, it helps with depuffing and blood circulation. Most eye products does contain caffeine. So before you make your purchase, when you're checking for eye care products, y'all gotta check the ingredient list and make sure it has caffeine in it.
And also, I found this interesting fun fact while doing research for this episode, but Dr. Clank said in order to have the same effects of caffeine being applied to your face, you have to drink up to 30 or 40 cups of coffee a day. And that's really bad because that builds up toxins in your body. Consuming caffeine can be helpful to us, but too much is harmful, so always be careful of that.
Too much of anything is really bad.
Yeah.
Do number 2, red beans. So in Korea, actually red beans, which are called pat in Korean, is really popular. Casper loves it, I love it, so many Korean people love it. And in other countries though, we've heard that it's not as commonly found. But let us know, because we have Wishtenders all over the world. We're really curious to know if you guys know about red beans as well, if it's more approachable. In Korea, red beans are found in a lot of the traditional Korean desserts. It's in patjuk porridge, and you can find it in jellies like the yangengi, right?
Yeah.
And also 팥빙수, and there's something else too. One more.
A rice cake?
Oh, 맞아.
Rice
떡.
There's also a special meaning behind the red beans. It is said that the redness of the beans can scare away evil spirits. Especially, eating red beans on the night of winter solstice is supposed to kick away any illness or bad things that may happen during that year, so check that out too if you're interested.
Also in Korea, a lot of people drink red bean as tea to get rid of the swollenness. Also, if you are trying to cut down on your caffeine intake, this is a smart choice as well. So for red beans, for your eyes, number 1, it's really great to lower the temperature of your skin so that your skin can look more vibrant. And number 2, it helps with the depuffing of the skin around your eyes. And number 3, what it does for you is it helps with blood circulation.
Do number 3, vitamin A and vitamin E. Why is it important to have vitamins in eye care products? UV rays can destroy collagen around the eyes, and since the skin around the eyes is thin, it's more vulnerable to UV rays. So it is important to take care of the area to recover from any damage that can be caused by UV rays. Vitamins can help you recover from UV ray damage, and sunflower seed oil is an ingredient that contains a lot of vitamin A and E. This can then protect your thin skin and moisturize it.
Yeah, so I had to tell you something, Casper. Okay,
Tell me.
Starting from your 30s, right? You have to start taking care of the area around your eyes. Of course, your eye skin right here too, but around the cheek area as well. You know how we wear sunglasses? It helps, of course, to protect our eyes from the UV rays, but it helps our skin right here too. It covers the bridge part of the nose. So starting from your 30s or even before, it's really important to start taking care of the areas around the eyes.
There aren't many don'ts with eye care, so we're gonna share you things to be cautious of while doing your eye care. First, First, this is really obvious, but don't irritate your eye area. Like we mentioned earlier, the eye area is very thin and it's very dry. So if you do a lot of rubbing, like when you erase your makeup and stuff, or when you wake up, it's prone to causing wrinkles and damage to the skin, so don't do that. When you're removing makeup, soak up a cotton pad with eye makeup remover and place it on the eyes for 30 seconds and let it melt away the makeup. And then after the makeup has melted, gently wipe away the makeup.
Alright, so let's talk about how to apply eye care products. There are mainly two different types of textures. The first one is the gel type texture, like the eye serums.
My favorite.
And there are butter type of textures. So with the gel type of texture, all you need to do is use a toner to even out your skin and then apply it around the eye area. Make sure to dab lightly and gently and soak it in really well. And remember to not rub because you don't want any wrinkles. With the butter texture products, what you need to do is use it as the last step of your skincare step. And how you apply is the same thing that I just mentioned. Make sure that you dab on lightly and soak it in really well, and make sure not to rub because we don't want any eye wrinkles, man.
And here are our recommendations for each and different purposes. First, these are our recommendations for gel-typed products. Number 1, those of you who get puffy eyes in the morning. So I'm sure a lot of you are lazy and not productive enough to stick a spoon the night before and place it on your eyes for like 15 minutes the day after. Well, gel type products could actually help with the soothing and cooling effect, and it'll make the puffiness go away. Number 2, those of you who want to use it with face rollers. This really depends on what type of dark circles you have, but if you have dark circles that have puffy eye bags, then use a gel-typed eye product with the eye roller, and it'll help blood circulation and it'll depuff your eyes and hydrate the eye area, making your dark circles look a lot better. Number 3, those of you who want to apply it before applying makeup. So the moisturizing texture and the light texture really sinks in well, and it makes it applicable before wearing makeup, guys. And the absorption is really fast, so even oily skin people can wear it. Remember, before wearing makeup, try to use products with light hydration and fast absorption. Tip: eye gels can be used as primers before wearing lip tints and matte lipsticks. They can calm down your dead skin cells immediately and hydrates the skin, so it makes the color payoff super even.
That's a really good tip. So for these types, we recommend the butter texture products. Number 1, for dry skin. So the eye area is dry for all skin types, not just dry skin types, but oily skin types or dehydrated skin, acne prone skin, whatever it may be. The area around the eyes is very dry. However, if you have dry skin, the area around the eyes is even more dry. Since this area around the skin is the thinnest part on our face, and also it has a lot of movement, you know what I'm saying? We move our eyes a lot and lips a lot, so it's prone to get saggy and really dry. So it's really important to use a butter type of texture product to make sure to protect that area, to prevent any wrinkles or lacking of elasticity, you know what I'm saying? Number 2, for those of you looking for nourishing products. The word butter makes it sound like it's really oily and greasy and it's gonna be really uncomfortable, right? It makes it sound like it's gonna cause milia. But this product is rich in nourishment but low in oil content. It's gonna hydrate your skin, especially the dry areas around the eye area. It's gonna make your skin glowy and it's gonna give elasticity to your skin. This has a non-sticky finish, so it can be used by all skin types. Any skin types, even oily skin types to dry skin types as well.
We hope you guys found the perfect eye care product with our tips, guys.
Yes, so we hope that you found this video helpful, and leave us a comment if you have any questions.
We'll leave information on the products mentioned in this video down below, so please check that out as well, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye! 안녕! Let's go eat pat.
좋아.